Hello YouTube, Mountainous here, and here I am at the Little Zig Zag Falls trailhead. I'm about to do some hiking, and I'm testing out a new pair of AVIA Jag trail shoes. Let's do it, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Bring in the woo-shoe in 3, 2, 1. Wow guys, the nature is amazing today. The Mount Hood National Forest is awesome. I'm glad I could bring you guys along on the adventure, but let's keep hiking. The forest is beyond awesome. It's amazing. I'll tell you what guys, these AVIA trail shoes are freaking awesome. They get good grip and they feel great too. Oh yeah guys, we're almost to the waterfall. Oh yeah guys, check it out. I've seen this waterfall many times, but it's freaking amazing. I'm gonna take a few photos, then I'm gonna hike to the top of the waterfall and have a snack. Oh yeah, baby, let's hike to the top of this waterfall. Now we'll see how these AVIA hikers really work. This is some gnarly terrain. Wow, that waterfall is loud. We're about a third of the way up. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, baby, check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. How cool is that? That is freaking awesome. All right, guys, time for a snack, and then we're gonna hike on out of here. Oh yeah, baby, Mountain House ice cream sandwich. I broke off a chunk of the ice cream sandwich. Let's try this, baby. Oh yeah, such a perfect day. Freeze-dried ice cream, baby, oh yeah. It's crunchy, but it tastes just like an ice cream sandwich. These are gonna be good, baby. Peanut, pumpkin seeds, and blueberries. Oh yeah. Wow, these are pretty good. This was super fun. I'm glad I could bring you guys along on the adventure. The hiking shoes, they worked great. The snacks were awesome. Now I'm gonna shut the camera off. The rest of today's adventure is just for me. So until the next one, Mountainous out.